Hi boys and girls, it's Laura the Teach. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the letter C correctly. Now many people don't realize this, but C has two main sounds, the K sound and the S sound. We make the letter C in sign language like this. We take our hand, we kind of make like a circle with our fingers. And then when we turn our hand this way, we've made the letter C. Now, C, the hard C, sounds like a K. K, K. The soft C sounds like an S. S. Here are three different fonts I've used to write the letter C. No matter how we use a font, the letter C looks like a C in almost every single situation. It's very difficult to make a C where it doesn't look like the letter C. So no matter what style of font, it's always going to look the same or similar. Now, again, C. When I say the letters, no matter if I use the hard C or the soft C, I'm going to clip the sound. I'm not going to say the hard C as caw. I'm not a crow. I'm going to clip it and just say k, k. When I say the soft C, I'm not going to say sa. I'm going to say s. I'm going to clip that sound. S. So, the hard C says a word like cat, k-at, cat. The soft C says a sound like cell, cell. That would be a cell on a plant or on an animal, not the type of cell that you would sell something at the store. So some pictures that we can use to demonstrate hard C and soft C. This is hard C. We've got three pictures. So we would say k, cat, k, camel, k, chameleon. Again, hard C, which sounds like a K, clipped just says k, cat, camel, chameleon. Our soft C, again, which sounds like an S, says centipede. Ooh, those things are creepy to find. And cichlid, which is a type of fish. Centipede, cichlid. So to review, when we say the letter C, we make our hand like a little circle, but we don't close it. We keep it open. And when we turn it this way, we've made the letter C. C has two sounds, k and s.